Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 7 of exercise 11.2 of chapter 11 perimeter and area of class 7th. Here in this question number 7, see what is given to us. The triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 13 centimeter and AC is equals to 12 centimeter, find the area of triangle ABC here. Also find the length of AD. So see here, it is given that it is a right angle triangle, and you can see this sign here on angle A. The dot represent the angle A is also representing as a right angle. And here AD is also perpendicular on this line BC. It means in this triangle there are two perpendicular. First of all, it is here AD on BC, and also we can take AC as perpendicular on AB. Means we can take AB as base or AC as base. That is up to you that which one you want to take. And next, here the length of AB is given as 5 centimeter. BC is given the total BC. This is 13 centimeter, and this one AC's length is at 12 centimeter. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of triangle ABC. Mean this one completes triangle's area we have to find out, and also find the length of AD. Means also we have to find out the perpendicular distance AD here in this question. So let's start it now here. As first of all, you can see there in this triangle, as we have to find out the area of triangle ABC, and if I will take here AC as perpendicular and AB as base, then can I apply here the area of triangle? So see here, I have applied here the area of triangle ABC is equals to 1/2 base into height, where base I have taken as AB and height I have taken as AC here. Fine. So it is 1/2 AB into AC. Now substitute the value of AB as 5 and AC as 12 here. Then after simplification we got here 30 centimeters here, and that is the area of the triangle here. Then again you can see here, and next we have to find out the length of AD here. It means to say here again AD is perpendicular in the same triangle. It means to say here again, if I'll find out the area of triangle ABC with the help of AD as height and BC as base, but it will be the same in this triangle now. So what we'll do here, to find out AD here, again we'll apply the area of triangle, but on the area of triangle's place we'll put here area's value directly. Fine. So see how to write here, that area of triangle ABC is equals to 1/2 base into height. We always apply the same formula to find the area of triangle, that is 1/2 base into height, where base will be as BC and height will be as AD here. Fine. And now here area of triangle we have find out already. So write here 30, and BC is given as 13. Write here 13, and AD as we have to find out, write here AD as it is. Now simplify it, and after that at the end you will get here AD as 16/30 centimeter, or you can write also in decimal. So in this way you can simplify your question number 7. Now let's start the next question, question number 8 of this exercise. See, in this question, triangle ABC is an isosceles with AB is equal to AC as 7.5 centimeter. So again in this triangle it is given that it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle mean in this triangle two sides are of equal length. Mean AB is equals to AC here, and here it is given that AB and AC both are of 7.5 centimeter length, and BC is 9 centimeter. Fine. This is BC and its length is 9 centimeter here. So next, the height AD from A to BC. See, this is height, mean it is a perpendicular here we can say. So here height AC AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Mean this one length is already given that it is 6 centimeter. So when we were going to find the area of the triangle, on that time we can use here AD as height because it is already given to us, and we can take BC as base. Fine. So by using AD and BC we can find out the area of triangle. So see next what is saying after that, find the area of triangle AB. So we can find out by using base and altitude here. And what will be the height from C to AB, that is CE. Means again we have to find out the height CE on the line AB. It means as we have done question number 7, the same process criteria will use in this sum. So let's start this sum. So in this triangle, in isosceles triangle ABC, So AD is given as 6 centimeter, BC as 9, means whatever it's given to you, just write it first. Then now going to find out the area of triangle ABC, that is 1 by 2 base into height, and we use base as BC here and height as AD here, and substitute their values, base as 9 and height as 6, and simplify, and we get here 27 centimeter square. Then after that, same again we are going to find out the area of triangle, because we have to find out CE as a height while we are going to use AB as the base. So apply here the formula again, write here 1 by 2 AB into CE, and put the value of the area which we have find out already, that is 27. Substitute the value, simplify it, and at the end we will get the value of CE, that is 7.2 centimeter. So therefore the height from C to AB, that is C, is 7.2 centimeter. So this is the criteria to simplify the question number 8.